Hey everyone, I am Bryce, and today I am going to explain to you how to withdraw money from the TikTok Creativity Program. First, ensure you meet the eligibility criteria set by TikTok for the Creativity Fund. This often includes having a certain number of followers, meeting content guidelines, and being in a supported region. If you are eligible, you should receive communication from TikTok about accessing the Creativity Fund. This may involve signing up for the program or being invited directly. TikTok usually sets specific requirements for withdrawing funds, such as earning a minimum amount or reaching a certain threshold of content creation or engagement. Open the TikTok app and go to your profile. Look for the options related to the Creativity Fund or earnings. Follow the step to request a withdrawal. Provide any necessary payment information, such as PayPal or bank account details for the transfer of funds. Once you have initiated the withdrawal, TikTok will process your request. You may receive a confirmation email or notification. It is essential to keep in mind that the specific steps and requirements may vary based on TikTok's policies and updates to the Creativity Fund program. Always refer to TikTok's official guidelines and support resources for the most accurate information regarding withdrawals. On that note, that will be it for this video. I hope you guys got some value. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.